Yes, this is good. This is good. Yes. Natalie.
Yes, Grandma.
You say you have some things you're gonna bring downstairs for the picnic them when them do the trick or treats and thing.
Yes, Grandma.
You're bringing some sweetie downstairs. Alright, so more you do something for me. You can't put some of these down there. Put some of these down there.
Grandma, you can't.
It's books. And not any kind of book, you know. Christian book. This one is the man will make the purpose driven life book. This is a little devotional. Them can't what on earth them are here for. Them need to know what they on the earth for. Them not depend the earth. If you go run like them a demon. Like them a dopey demon. This one I love this one. This one is called Love Letter. It is the full gospel of John. Yes, it's the full gospel of John. This one is a New Testament. Anybody will get these man is the word of God. It is the word of God. That them forget on Halloween. On a day like Halloween, the day where the devil is running rampant. The devil is running rampant. Them need to repent. Them need the word of God. Them need the word of God. Train up a child. Train up the picnic them. Train them up. So look what. And this one is more. This one they can't use. Is CD or DVD. Is DVD. Then can play this and listen. It have stories on there or music. I don't know which one, but a DVD it have something and I think you watch this. But them picnic them know if you use them something yeah because I don't know if you use them. But them yeah, more want to put them inside there.
Grandma.
Put your hand down when you talk to me.
Sorry. I'm just gonna put candy downstairs. A box of candy. I bought it already. I'm gonna put it downstairs in the box, in the bin.
Listen, the picnic them need to read this. Not a. So what? You're into this thing now. You're into this thing now. Oh yeah, bring candy downstairs. I saw your mother bring you up. Me know say your mother never bring you no trick and no treat.
No, but she brought us to Hallelujah night.
Even that, me never agree with. Even that, because the word of God say, shun the very appearance of evil. How they may have things at church for the picnic them a dress up and them hand out candy. At the same thing, why you forgot at church for that? Just go outside on Halloween and go walk around and go door to door and say trick or treat. That's the same thing. Why them a bring it into the house of God? They want Jesus come down to beat up everybody again. No, I'm not agree with it. And it look like you entangling this thing too.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Listen. You come take them book from me and make sure you bring them downstairs and put them in the box. And don't make me go downstairs and not sit in a box, you know. Don't make me go downstairs and not sit in the box outside the superintendent office. Beg you put this downstairs in the box.
Grandma, why do I have to do it? You can bring it downstairs.
Because I tell you if you do it. Hey. Good.